Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Nerdwallet securely. You need to access quick access to your financial dashboard. Here's how to log into Nerdwallet securely and keep your info safe. First, open your browser and go to nerdwallet.com. Click login at the top right corner of the home page. Then enter your registered email and password. If you sign up with your Google or Apple ID, you can simply click continue with Google or continue with Apple. For added security, enable two-factor authentication if you haven't done so already. To do this, just click your profile icon once logged in and then go to settings, security, toggle on two-factor authentication, and then follow the prompts to link your phone number. From now on, each time you log in, you're going to receive a one-time security code to enter after your password. This adds an extra layer of protection for your financial data. Also, make sure that you're logging in from a secure device and avoid using public Wi-Fi when accessing your financial accounts. If you ever forget your password, you can just click Forgot Password on the login screen and follow the reset steps via email. Safe, fast, and hassle-free access every time. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more Nerdwallet walkthroughs that put your finances first. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.